सभापती महोदय, GSIDC मुळाव्या साधन सुविधा कामा खातीर GSIDC एक दिल्ले भांडवल खर्च 380 कोटी रुपया आसा. ह्या वर्सा पुराय जावपाक पावल्या अशी कामां आसात. ऑफिस बिल्डिंग ऑफ द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ अकाउंट्स पर्वरीम 57 crores. Reconstruction of the existing building and additional construction of the new block fire department Panji 49 crores. Protection and restoration of the Mandavi River coastline from the Miramar Circle to Youth Hostel and Kala Academy to ESG building 40 crores. Construction of new building of Goa Board Secondary and High Secondary Education at Purvarim 30 crores. Reconstruction of the Margaon Government ITI and Government Multipurpose High Secondary School at Borda Margaon Phase 1 which is 28 crores. Construction of new 4-lane bridge at Hodar in Kurcharem 22 crores. Renovation of Ravindra Bhavan and construction of the second phase, Ravindra Bhavan Kurcharem, it's 21 crores. Construction of the 4-lane bridge at Sangem town, 19 crore. Expansion and upgradation of the infrastructure of the primary health center, Sange, 18 crores. The development of the work of the integrated education school complex at Kujira, Bambolim, Tiswadi, Goa, 17 crores. Construction of the bridge at Paikul, Sattari, 13 crores. Freedom Fighters Memorial at Patradevi, 12 crores. Construction of the football ground and stadium, including the community hall at Verna, it is an 11 crore. Construction of the Joggers Park at Chikalim, second phase, which is 11 crores. Construction of the modern fire station at Valpai, 10 crores. गोयच्या विविध वाठारांनी आमी सकयल दिल्ले प्रकल्प चालीक लावपाचेय थारायल्या. Construction of the bridge at Sonal Tar Savar Dam in Sattari Taluka, 18 crore. Construction of the Salvador do Mun Chonna Bridge, it is in 250 crores. Speaker sir, I propose to lay the foundation stone for the tallest building, which is in Prashasan Stamba, which will be the house majority of the government offices and other professional associations scattered all across the Panji and nearby areas under one roof. Similarly, the foundation stone for the new collectorate north building will be laid this year. Additional list under the GSIDC project is attached as annexure.